Welcome everybody to Cindy Certified Recipes. You know, we're all creatures of habit and sometimes get stuck in a rut, especially when it comes to seasoning our food. Well, I just happen to have the recipe for the spice rub from the Outback, and it's a great addition to have in your pantry. But before we get to that, if you enjoy watching my videos, I'd sure appreciate a tap on that subscribe button and also that notification bell so you don't miss a single upcoming video. Now let's get to this rub. This Outback rub is so versatile. You can throw it on meat, chicken, fish, just about anything, and you'll get all the flavors of eating out, and it'll get you out of that seasoning doldrums. So let's try a piece here. It's so good, you guys. Try that spice, you won't regret it. Enjoy. And as always, if it's time tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy Certified.